Everyone, today I'm going to share you about a very important notification of the CBSE, and that notification regarding the relative grading. As you know, that the result has been published by the CBSE few days ago. We have received many many queries from the principals and the students in regarding the grading system. So CBSE thus decided to share the notification on the basis of the relative grading, subject wise grading of the candidate of class 10 and 12 along with their marks secured by them in each subject. That has already circulated, you know about that. The content of this circular is reiterated of the information. What are the information about the relative grading system? CBSE awarded subject wise grades to the candidates. There will be subject wise grades. So what is the relative grading? It is not the normal grading like ABCD or A1, B1 or other things. It is a relative grading system has been adopted by the CBSE, is based on the relative grading, which is more scientific approach instead of absolute grading, wherein grades are given based on the predetermined cutoff level. Meaning thereby the grades are not determined on the marks range, that is 91 100. It is not based upon the range of the marks, that is 91 to 100, 81 to 90, so that, but the grades vary from the subject to subject based on the number of candidates passing the subjects. That is very important. It is not based upon the determination of the marks that they have got. It is on the basis of the grades vary from the subject to subject on the number of candidates passing on the subject. So what will be the passing? What are the gradings? 8 equal grades will be there: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, D1, D2 and E grade. So what is A1? That is the top, that is 1 or 1 by 8th of the past candidates. A2 next 1 by 8th of the past candidates. B1 next 1 by 8th of the past candidates. So simultaneously that will be concluded to D2, that is next 1 and 8th of the past candidates, and E equals to essential repeater. While placing the candidates in the rank order, the following points are taken into consideration. What are the points? Minor variations in proportion of the candidate to adjust ties are made and wherever necessary. In case of a tie, all the students getting the same score are awarded the similar grade. The method of the grading is used in subject-wise grading. That means it doesn't apply that 91 or 92 you are getting the subjects and the grading of A1. It is not on the basis of this, but it is on the basis of the grading method of the grading on the subject-wise, where the number of candidates who have passed is more than 500. So in respect of the subjects, where total numbers of candidates passing in subject is less than 500, the grading would be adopted on the pattern of the grading and distribution on the other subject. What will be the grading? These are the formula of the grading that they have been specified. These are the formula. What is the formula? Grade 1, subject candidates of the passing of the subject. Suppose Hindi. So these are the number of the students. So suppose from the following numbers, that is 1,59,052. So first 1,59,052 into 1 or 8. That means 1988, 881. So 882, meaning thereby top 19,882 candidates will get A1. That means the total number of candidates, suppose total number of candidates is 1,59,000 subject wise. So first 1/8 that will be awarded to A1. Next candidates of 1/8 that will be concluded to A2. Same that happened to history. Here you can see the history, 1,58,585. That means 1/8 of those candidates, that means 19,824, that candidates will be awarded to A1. Next 19,824, that will be awarded to A2. Next 19,824 candidates will be awarded to B1. Same will be happen to economics. Suppose 3 lakhs, they have, candidates give passing the examination 3 lakhs 83,647. So that means 1/8 of the first lot. That means 47,956. They are getting grade 1. They are getting grade 1. Suppose suppose 47,957 candidates will get A2. So on the basis of the grading system, thereby it will be required like this. The relative system adopted by the board, a candidate obtaining identical marks in 2 subjects or may not get the same grade in 2 subjects. The grades will be different. Yes, the grades can be different. Suppose one students who scored more than 90%, their grading will be A1 according to the number of candidates passing on the subjects. So that means that same number will be awarded to different kind of grading system. This is the information they have shared, very important information. That means here the last subject NCC, 304 students they have given the examination and passed. That means 38, thereby 38 candidates will get A1, 38 candidates will get A2, 38 candidates will be grade B1. So on the basis of the marks scored, that means if the grade 1, the marks of the candidate will be, suppose 95 is the highest marks, or 100, suppose 100 is the highest marks. So 1/8 of those candidates, they are awarding the grade A1. Here it is quite, it is written in respect of the subjects, while total number of candidates passing in a subject is less than 500, the grading adopted of the pattern of the distribution of the other subjects. So these are very important things. That means that the students relative grading will be awarded with the relative grading system. So please go through the circular. You can get the circular in the CBSE website, main website. So go through the circular. If you have any doubt or anything else, you can go through the circular. If you go through the circular, you can get the idea about all those things. So very important circular. Please go through the circular. Thank you everyone. I will be coming back with another video.